Hi Megan, thank you for your question. So your question is around sets, the intersection and union of sets, and these Venn diagrams. If you haven't worked with Venn diagrams before, they can be a little bit confusing. The good news is that this is not an outcome for Unit 1 in Math 1046, so you won't have to worry about drawing or interpreting Venn diagrams on the test. But they're also, it's a nice diagram to get to know, so I thought I would just explain what these answers are for the question. So the question starts out with three different sets. Set X being the set of all flowers, and then within that set we have a set of red flowers, and then set Z, or Z, is the flowers which bloom in winter. The first question is to show with words and the Venn diagram what X intersection Y means. And X being the set of flowers and Y being the set of red flowers. So what they did first is that they drew a circle to represent all of the set of flowers. So all the flowers are in this big circle that they're calling X. And then set of red flowers, that's a subset of the flowers X. So they drew another circle, and that's Y. So Y is red flowers, which is a subset of X, which is all flowers. And then they said highlight. When you're drawing Venn diagrams, you want to highlight what the statement here is, which is the intersection of X and Y. So that's only going to be where X and Y intersect, which is going to be the yellow, which I am now highlighting as blue. So these are the set of red flowers within X. You don't go beyond the Y circle because we're only looking at the intersection and not the union. If it was the union, then we would highlight everything within the two circles. So that's that first question. The second question is Y intersection Z. So Y is the set of red flowers and Z is the set of flowers which bloom in winter. So we can assume that some of those flowers which bloom in winter are going to be red flowers, but not all. And that's shown by this example here. And as we're looking at the intersection, if we are going to describe what the intersection is, it's Y, which is all red flowers, and Z is the flowers that bloom in winter. So if we were going to describe the intersection, which is where the two overlap, this would be red flowers that bloom in winter. That's the words which represent that intersection. And the last intersection, X intersects Z, is set of flowers and set of flowers which bloom in winter. And again, it's very similar to the first one that we did over here, where X is all the flowers, Z are the flowers that just bloom in winter, and it's a subset of all flowers. So I hope that that helps in explaining these Venn diagrams a little bit better. But it's, again, not an outcome that you need to know for the test. So just good to know what Venn diagrams can represent, and they can represent sets of objects, sets of numbers, that type of thing. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your question. Bye for now.